Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pehi's Kitchen. So today I'm making our homemade fish rolls, and for starters, put my pan into the cooking gas on high heat. Put in our oil into the cooking pan. Yeah, putting a little bit of oil. Let our oil boil for a minute. So as our oil is ready, I'm going to put in our onions, as you can see, onions and garlic. So as our onions are almost ready, I'm going to put in my shredded boiled fish. I'm using fillet, as you can see, into the pan. Gonna let this simmer for like 5 minutes. So as our fish fillet here is getting ready, after simmering for like 5 minutes, putting in some little bit of garlic. As you can see, it is garlic powder. Then I'm going to put in coriander. This garnishes add taste to our fillet, as you can see. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of fish masala, as you can see. These quantities are going to put them in my description, so kindly check. Never check. And then some little ginger. Here. I'm going to pour in some lemon and lemon juice in that. This also adds taste to we're going to put in our shredded carrots. You can see. Our first step in preparing our fish roll is finished. This is the first step preparing our fish fillet. So you can use fillet, you can use tilapia, you can use any type of fish. Preferably me, I'm using fish fillet because it's normally boneless. So this is ready and I'm going to rest it aside. So step 2 in here, I have lukewarm water in a bowl. We're going to make our dough. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, as you can see. Yeah, with salt to the lukewarm water. And I'm going to add in a little bit of oil. And then I'm going to mix this. Mix in our flour and make a dough, as you can see. Yes, so our dough is ready, as you can see. You need, as I showed in the other process, that you need until it's ready like this. And we're going to make our rolls. That is our third step. Yeah, so this is our third step. We made our chapati roll, as you can see. This is the chapati, and we're going to make a roll out of it like this. So we're gonna cut this into two. And we have our fish fillet prepared, as you can see. So you put this here like this, and we make our roll. Keep rolling and rolling. That is already roll. Our fish fillet, as you can see, and we roll them like this, like this. And our rolls are ready. So in hot boiling oil, we put in our rolls, the ones we made, as you can see. Turning them as they boil. Medium heat, as you can see. Yeah, so these are already fish rolls, as you can see. This is one, and they're ready to eat. These are easy breakfast snacks you can have. In just a few minutes you have your breakfast snacks. Thank you again. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for all the subscribers so far, and thank you.